Alright guys, I'm going to be doing an Instant Pot recipe. I'm going to use the poultry button on the Instant Pot. But what I'm going to do is, I got this pack of chicken drumsticks that I want to use up because they come in a big pack and they go bad, so you want to use them up, and it was on sale. So the best way to actually keep your chicken lasting longer, because it doesn't last long if you ever have like raw chicken lying around, you'll start to get that's odor and things like that. The best way to actually do it is actually cook up the chicken first, so because then you can just rip off the meat and put it into your stir fries and things like that. So I'm gonna be cooking it up in the rice cooker, sorry, not rice cooker, the Instant Pot, and basically I'm gonna be seasoning it aggressively, and then it'll be pressure cooked, and then you just wait, and then you just rip off the meat. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. Here's the chicken drumsticks all seasoned, ready to go. It has a nice dry rub on it. What I put is garlic, fennel, some celery salt, some garlic salt, black pepper, and or some oregano actually. So yeah, so I'm going to cook this up in the setting here. There is a poultry setting somewhere right there. So I'm going to use that, and then I'll be back and I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Stay tuned. Alright, so here is the chicken all done, guys. As you can see, it has a nice aroma. It's all ready. This is pretty neat, and I'm going to do a quick taste test for you as well. Just give me 1 second here. And let's see how it tastes. Let me see, I'll just grab this one right here. And I will rip off a little bit from the side. There it is. Wow, taste-wise it's really good. The meat's like falling off the bone, so definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So generally what I do now is I would rip off the meat and then just use it as need be for stir fries and things like that. Okay, so like I said, stay tuned for more videos.